Adding multi-language subtitles to your videos usually feels like a massive time sink, but I've finally cracked a workflow that keeps you sane while scaling content. I spent months testing different methods because most AI tools promise efficiency, but often leave you drowning in manual tweaks and endless re-editing. Today, I'm showing you a real-world pipeline that uses Vizard to slice long videos into high-engagement clips, making translation and subtitling actually manageable. Step 1 is capturing your raw footage, whether you're using your phone, a high-end camera, or recording straight into an app like CapCut. Keep your raw files clean and organized, and most importantly, get them uploaded to the cloud immediately so you never risk losing that precious footage. Most creators burn out by trying to subtitle and translate everything from scratch inside their editor, which is honestly the slowest way to do it. The secret is to separate your workflow. First, lock in your timestamps and clips, then handle the text translation separately. I use Vizard to do the heavy lifting here because it automatically identifies the high engagement moments and spits out ready-to-post short clips. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of raw recording, Vizard gives you a library of candidate clips that are already optimized for vertical formats. Once you have those short clips, import them into your editor and generate the auto-captions for your base language, which is usually English for me. Never trust auto-captions blindly, so take a few minutes to clean up the transcript, fix the names, and adjust the punctuation so it flows naturally. Treat your English transcript like a master copy, because the cleaner your source text is, the better the output will be from any translation engine. Export that time-coded SRT file and head over to a high-quality translator like DeepL to get your subtitles into your target languages. Scan those translations for context and tone, because even the best AI still struggles with idiomatic expressions and punchlines. The real trick to avoid a UI nightmare in your editor is to keep the timestamps untouched and simply swap the language text inside the SRT file. I usually produce separate, localized video files for each language rather than cramming multiple caption tracks into one overwhelming video. This approach is much cleaner for the viewer and ensures that your content is perfectly tailored to the specific platform you're posting on. Vizard is the game changer here because it doesn't just cut your video. It manages the scheduling so you can stay consistent across every single language. If you follow this workflow, you can drop your production time per language from hours down to under 45 minutes, which is massive for scaling. Drop a comment below with which language you want me to demo next, like Korean, Japanese, or Spanish, and I'll show you the exact setup. If you want more practical workflows to help you publish more without losing your mind, hit subscribe and stick around for the next one.